Hey guys, it's Tomotoda, and for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my latest Vograce order. This video is unfortunately not sponsored this time, so I paid with my own money. But what happened was my previous order, I ordered some more lanyards and I ordered these static cling sticker sheets, but this was not what I wanted. This was the first draft, and then there are some issues, so I made some changes and then I sent my representative a second draft. However, when I got my package, these are the stickers that I got. So I messaged her and she was like, oh shit, like, yeah, that's totally our fault, sorry. I mean, she didn't say those words exactly, but you know, you get the idea. And she asked me if I was going to make another order soon, because if I was, then she will remake the stickers. However, at that time, I wasn't planning on ordering more from Vograce, so I was just gonna tell her like, no, can you just send me the stickers? Which I don't know what her response would have been. However, like, coincidentally, I came across Vograce's Instagram and I saw that they had phone grips now, and that really intrigued me. And also coincidentally, I just drew this hamster picture and I thought it would be funny to maybe have it as a phone grip. So against my own plans, I decided to make another order, and that's just how things went. So yeah, let's get into it and open it. It came in this FedEx bag, and I also want to mention that the shipping this time was around $30 for this. My last package too, the shipping was around $30. I didn't mention it in my past Vograce videos, I think, because you don't get to see the shipping price until you check it out. And before, it's been about $20 and then they like raised it to $30. So I don't know if it depends on how much you order or the weight or what you order. Like, I don't know. I can't give you an accurate thing about the shipping. They did have on their website, like, if you ordered one charm, it'll be like $7. If you ordered 2 charms, it'll be $10. They did have it on their website somewhere before, but I mean, you go look for it. And also, you know, that's one charm as opposed to a whole box. So, you know, shipping prices are just different, so I can't really speak on it. But thought I'd warn you so you don't get too surprised. So yeah. Oh, that's right, I ordered mouse pads. So here are my phone grips. Let's see if the stickers came out correctly. Yeah, the stickers did. I'm a little worried about this. Okay, we'll see it in a bit. And then here are my mouse pads. Okay, I'm gonna open up my mouse pads first because, you know, you've already seen these before. How many did I order? I guess I ordered 7 then. I'm gonna go through them and see the quality. Okay. So quality-wise, out of all the 7, I'm gonna say that they all look good printing-wise. They all printed beautifully, cleanly, and well. The only issue, I think, it's not a big issue, is that like the image isn't completely centered. So if you see, there's like a gap here, this much gap here, but then up here, there's only a little tiny gap. So the image isn't completely centered, but overall, it's not a big deal. I think they look fine. Sorry, this is afterwards. So this is the original mouse pad that I got, that I did the sponsorship with. And as you can see, the image fills out the whole entire space. And there is actually no gap here. And now that I look, I don't know how I feel about it. Is this a big deal? Is this not a big deal? I mean, I guess this isn't a big deal. I don't know. I just expected it to look like this one, but it didn't. Whoops. Next are the phone grips. I ordered 3 different kinds of phone grips. I mean, they're all of the same image, but so I ordered 2 that were 2 inches and I ordered 1 that were 2.5 inches, I believe. Because the image or the acrylic has to be like bigger than the circle so that it covers that, right? Damn, this is fucking cute. The one thing though is they didn't send me a proof before they shipped it to me, so I was a little worried because usually they send me a proof with the outline, the cutted outlines, but this time I got no proof at all, so it made me kind of nervous. Oh yeah, so shit. So this is the 2.5. As you can see how big it is to my, okay, so my hand's not a good reference. So here's my phone. I have an iPhone SE, which is pretty much the size of an iPhone 7. And here is the 2.5 inches phone grip. It's kind of huge, huh? Gosh, I fucking love it. And then this one is the 2 inches phone grip, which is a kind of a more normal size. And then the third phone grip I have is like, it's pretty much the same. It's just more stuff on it. Hamsters for life, bitch. Yeah, so they look good. I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna go through these and I'll let you know if they have any issues or any flaws, or like how many out of how many has flaws. Okay, so out of 7 of these bigger hamster phone grips, 3 of them are slightly flawed, but it's not a like dust or printing issue. It's a doming issue. If you can see here, there's like this little indent. And then this one too has a slight indent here. And this one has a really tiny indent here. And I'm gonna see if I can actually get rid of them by heating it up. Oh fuck. Yeah, it's gone. Do you see it? Okay, well, problem solved. So, no issue here. Let's see if this will... Yep, it's going away. Gone. Amazing. Right, last one. Okay, problem solved. So out of 7 looks amazing. Then I'm gonna go and check out the mini hamsters. Okay, so out of 6 of the smaller hamsters, 1 has an issue. Yeah, I don't know if the camera can really pick up on it, but right here, it looks like separation. Like the epoxy coating separated. Maybe you can see it here. But yeah, pretty good. And then I have the Hamsters Forever phone grips. I'm gonna look into these. Okay, so out of 6 of these Hamster for Life phone grips, 5 of them look amazing. And then this one here has a slight chip. It's got a slight chip in the coating. But let's see if fire will solve the problem. It kind of made it smaller, but it didn't really help it out. I guess I'll be keeping this one for myself. Open, close, open, close, open. Yes. I am in love. I love hamsters. Moving on are these stickers. So the reason why I had these remade, I had these like little designs that I wanted cut out as well, but they said it was too close together and the technicians couldn't do it. And I wanted the paper to be a blue background, not the actual stickers, just the paper to be the blue background. So I had this resized and like reordered around so all the small details can fit and be cut on the page. However, it seems that actually the stickers themselves are blue and it's not the paper. I guess they can't do it. I guess it's the stickers that are gonna have the blue background. And this isn't what I want, but this one is my fault, okay? I just wanted these little ones to be caught. but it's okay. So the reason why I wanted to get these static cling stickers is, well, first of all, static cling is really fun. And then I have, you know, a black background. So I'm gonna clean off the back. And then I wanted a blue paper background so you can see the white outlines. If you put it on a dark background. Vavoom. Yeah, and this is basically what I just wanted to do with it. And I guess for the small ones, if I really wanted it, I could just cut it out with scissors, which I don't have on me, so fuck that. And then as you can see, you can always peel them off and then re-stick them because they're cling stickers. Yeah, and then just gonna rub them on. And I know there's like, you can see bubbles underneath it, but over time, the bubbles, like as you touch your phone and stuff, the bubbles are going to escape. They're gonna fart out. They're gonna escape. So this one I've had on for since the beginning actually. So you can see that a lot of the bubbles are pretty much gone. And that's what will happen with this too over time. I even bought a clear phone case to put over. Ugh, the fuck is this? Why is it so textured? Wah wah. It's a fail all around on my part. This, unfortunately, I'm kinda sad. Okay, so my lighter isn't very, it's too textured, so the stickers actually don't stick on it, but hey, you could decorate your shit with this. Anyways, I'll put these up in my shop on a discounted price. Okay, I wanted to add because I just remembered, but back in 2018, I went to an Artist Alley 101 panel at ZetsCon, and the artist, who I don't remember her name, but I have her Instagram, so I'll leave it in the description box below. But she does 2D art, and she's very experienced with the whole con scene. And one of the many advices she gave was to avoid getting your prints or products manufactured during peak season, because that's when everyone else is, you know, also rushing to stock up on their inventory, and your products, you know, they can get delayed, or she said the quality even drops during peak season. So she said it's best to plan things ahead of time. Now, when is peak season? I don't remember what she said in regards to that, but I think it could be safe to assume like maybe October to January, because you have a bunch of marketable holidays towards the end of the year. Even last year, my Vograce package came kind of late, and this person here so kindly reminded me what probably happened. So you gotta also keep in mind that there's holidays happening over there, and you know, they're on vacation as well. Another thing, especially like right now, is that anime conventions are running again. I started seeing my artist friends attending in person around August, so I'm sure they're probably ordering more inventory. Maybe not, I don't know. Other than that, my other assumption of what peak seasons would be considered are like around the time for huge anime conventions such as Anime Expo or Otakon, etc, etc. I don't know. This is just my guess though. Like, if you guys actually have concrete info about this from experience, or you just know what the peak seasons are, please let me know in the comments so that us noobs can avoid ordering during that time. Now, considering all of that, maybe Vograce is getting a lot of orders at the moment. Like, I really love my phone grips. I think they're perfect, and the fact that they sent me extras, like, I really appreciate it. Vograce, for the most part, they got their acrylic products down. They're very experienced with it. The stickers aren't bad either. Like, the quality is great. It's mostly a me problem because I'm not skilled enough to make my visions a reality. But the mouse pads, those were slightly disappointing. The file image that I sent them was a circle, and it was the same exact file that I sent previously. So I wish they just filled up the mouse pad and made it like they did before, but were they backed up with orders? Is that why? Is that not why? Who knows? I might not be ordering mouse pads again. Nah, maybe I'll give them one more chance. I don't know. I need to. Anyways, overall, it did arrive fairly quickly from China, so that was good. One more thing, last thing I want to add is this. Thank you, Fate, for letting me know. So you guys too, keep in mind with Vograce's clear stickers, if you like, you know, put them somewhere where there's gonna be a lot of wear and tear, this happens. The static cling sticker that I have on my phone hasn't had any issues so far for the past 2 to 3 months. I don't use a phone case when I am home, and it hasn't had any issues, but you know, a longer time will tell. Anyways, that's all. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.